What are you doing there?
Just sitting upside down.
Can you get down? Can you go back up? I'm gonna get your tummy. No, careful, you're gonna flip off. Oh, that's noisy. Don't go that way. No, 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 no. You're gonna flip right off the chair if you do it that way, sweetie. There you go. Whoa. Good job.